I had a package that needed to get mailed today and I had to chase after the mailman. He's fast. So let's see what is in store for April's BOXYCHARM. All right, the theme is peace, love, and boxy. And the first thing I see is, I never use these. Anybody else? These are the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powders. This is in the shade Summer Haze. Is this fucking orange or peach? Yes, it is. Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? Oh, okay. It's sealed. But maybe it's better that way. I'll never use this. It'll be way too deep for my skin tone. I will pass that on. The next thing is from Butter London. This is the Power Up Mascara. Let's look at the wand, shall we? I'm kind of a bitch when it comes to like wands because the minute I see this silicone kind of wand, I'm like, nope, this is gonna be awful. But one of my favorite mascaras, the Tarte Tartist Lash Paint, has a similar wand and I love this. So I need to stop just judging mascara by its wand. So I will definitely give this a try. All right, the next is by Beauty for Real. This Finish Line liquid eyeliner retails for $16. Mistake proof pen. That's intriguing because I think this Makeup Revolution is a mistake proof pen. This is $9. That's the other thing. Since I'm not, again, getting all tons of new stuff, I feel like I'll give more of my subscription box items a chance. I know it doesn't sound like it, but I will. All right, so it's short. It's very black, so that's good. It's very opaque. I'll give it a try. I'll put this in my to try drawer. The next is from Luxie Brushes. This comes in a 3-pack. I don't need this. Okay, I don't need any of these. There's like a highlighter or blush brush, looks like a concealer brush, but I use these kind of brushes for cut creases or halo eyes, like to put down a base. And then there's this, which can be like an eyeshadow brush or something. A large shader brush. I have enough versions of these that I won't use these, so I will save these for a giveaway. And the last product in here, is that right? Yeah. Is from Pure Cosmetics. Can we have a different brand of a palette in here? Something besides Tarte or Pure. I hope it's as fun as it looks on the back. This is the Pure Complexion Authority Festival Palette. Does that mean it's like a face palette? This retails for $36. There's pressed glitter. All right, I'm gonna swatch this and keep it and use it because there's a fucking bright matte pink in here. I don't have high hopes, I'm not gonna lie. I don't have high hopes for the pressed glitters because I've never met a pressed glitter that was any good, ever. So let's see. Yeah, it's just like any pressed glitter. You have to put something down, otherwise it's just pressed glitter. It's not the worst I felt. There are finer, smaller pieces of glitter, which is good. I'm actually gonna use a brush and swatch the other ones because I wanna see what kind of colors we're actually working with. So I'm gonna take this Morphe B83 brush and I'm gonna swatch the pink. Ooh. All right, it's kind of sheer, but I'm getting something. I'm gonna save my real judgment for when I actually use it on my eyes. Not the best, but not the worst. Now we're gonna try some of the metallics on top. These are beautiful. Okay. Those are very, very pretty. Okay. All right, so I'm excited about this palette. I'm excited to play with it. Whether or not it's particularly good, I guess we're gonna see, but of the Pure palettes we've gotten, this is probably one of the better ones. IPSY Glam Bag Plus, the ball is in your court. All right, now on with our IPSY for April. So our theme is Fresh Spring Beauty. And the first thing I see is, ooh, looks like a palette. Tell me your thoughts. Do you guys want me to switch doing battle? Well, I'm not gonna switch like the theme Battle of Boxes, but do you want me to do like a try-on unboxing instead of just unboxing everything? I figured like just unboxing is quicker, but do you guys want me to do like a more in-depth unboxing and try everything on and battle it that way? Or do you want me to keep it how it is now and just unbox everything for you and decide which box is better? Let me know in the box below, in the comments below. All right, so this is called Moods by Laura Sanchez, and I'm very intrigued because I haven't heard of this person ever. Why did I say it like that? Oh, this is super pretty. Why am I yelling? Look at that. Oh, it kind of reminds me of one of the Juvia's Place palettes. I'm intrigued, and I'm also going to try My highlighter does look stunning today. It's the Make Revolution Jelly Highlighter. I'm going to try, uh-oh, I see pink in here. Oh no. Oh yeah, there's fucking pink. God damn it, Laura. All right, maybe this one, I'll better luck. All right, I'm gonna put that on. I'm gonna put this mofo on. Comes with a brush that I'll probably never use, kind of looks crappy, but the colors in here look very pretty, so I'm gonna give these a go. Very, oh yeah. Laura Sanchez, I am liking you, girlfriend. Ooh, it's a little more like of that, you know, silvery sheen, I guess. But it's very pretty. All right, and you know, we'll swatch these metallic shades. I'm gonna swatch all of them, who am I kidding? Very nice. Again, swatches don't mean too much, but still gonna do it. Swatch good, all right. Let's see how the mattes do. So we have 2 neutrals and 2 brights. So we have these neutrals right here and these brights. Actually, and these are like my favorite neutrals and my favorite brights. We have like a light brown, a deeper brown, a medium pink, and a fucking yellow. That's for me. Also, very nice, nothing patchy. I am very pleased with this palette. I don't even give a shit about the pink highlight. I'll take it. The shitty brush, don't even care. I will definitely be using this in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. And that's why I want to do a video with like trying stuff on. So that's exciting. I've never heard of this person or this brand. All right, so the next thing I have here is from Gold Fadden MD, and this is the Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. Only 0.5 ounces though. Okay. I have 2 eye things that I'm using right now, so I will put this in my to use drawer. What? I know I'm kind of just being like a snot about it, but I don't really believe anything Paris Hilton says. Nor do I want to buy or use anything Paris Hilton puts out. I also see her stuff at like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and I mean her shitty makeup that I would never spend, I might spend $1 on, but even that seems like a waste. This is the Pro DNA Advanced Care System Dual Action Cleansing Gel. I'm gonna read about this because I am a little intrigued though, because it's made in the USA. Okay, this is the dual action, blah, blah, blah. This retails for $29. All right, Paris. You might not be in, oh, I thought it said you might not be into the actual heiress. I was gonna say, how did you know? You might not be an actual heiress, but that doesn't mean you can't have rich girl skin. This cleansing gel is infused with exfoliating caviar, lime, and pineapple-derived enzymes to brighten skin, cucumber to depuff, and white tea extract to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and help repair sun damage. I don't know. I kind of want to use it actually, now that I'm looking at some of these claims. Pineapple enzymes, I love enzyme exfoliating properties. I love cucumber in skincare. I'm kind of intrigued, so you know what? I might actually just shut my trap and try it. All right, Paris, you snotty witch. The next product is from Benefit. This is the Highbrow Pencil. I've only tried one brow product from Benefit, and I got this from Influencer and I love it. It's the Brow Contour Pro pencil. It's like one of those pencils from the 90s that you like, anyway, who gives a shit. This is in the shade, doesn't say. Oh, it's a highlighting pencil, oh duh, okay. No. I don't want a highlighting pencil. So I will not touch this. I will pass this on. It's probably a good product, but I will never use this, so I'm not even gonna touch it. All right, and there is one more product in this box, and it's a blush palette. Yay, I love blush. This is the Lovecraft blush palette. This retails for $39. I don't know where, oh God. I hate saying things like this, but like, I don't know where brands like, sorry Lovecraft Beauty, I've never heard of you. Not that that's the end all, like, oh, if Jen's never heard of a product, it must not be any good. But I don't know where brands, like little known indie brands, get off like charging these kind of prices, I'm sorry. This is a beautiful palette though, I will say. It's more of like a neutral kind of palette. And it is really pretty, but I'm gonna save this for a giveaway because it's a little too neutral for me. I like a more, this is my speed for blush. This is very pretty, but this is more my blush. So, who will win? Ugh, all right. Both boxes had some cool palettes. I feel like I'm a little bit more excited about this one though. Why am I panicking? It's not like I'm gonna get in trouble.